Bullish molecule value expectation is $17.04 to $34.70. Cosmos cost could likewise reach $40 soon. Bearish particle cost expectation for 2022 is $5.89. Bullish particle value forecast is $17.18 to $34.77. Cosmos cost could likewise reach $40 soon. Bearish IOTA cost expectation for 2022 is $8.53. In Universe Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about particle to break down the future development of the digital currency. Universe current market status. The cost of Universe is $12.79 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $230,085,148 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, molecule has expanded by almost 1.9% as of now. Besides, Universe has a circling supply of 292,586,163 molecule. At present, Universe exchanges digital money trades like Binance, BTCEX, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. What is Universe? The Universe is a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, each determined by BFT agreement calculations like the Tendermint Agreement. At the end of the day, the Universe is a climate of blockchains that can gauge and work on one another. Prior to the Universe, the blockchains were quiet and couldn't speak with one another. They were difficult to produce and could deal with few exchanges each second. Universe tackles these issues with another mechanical vision. To comprehend this vision, we want to return to the essentials of blockchain innovation. Universe Value Forecast 2022. A plummeting channel is a graph design shaped from two descending trend lines drawn above and under a cost-addressing obstruction and backing levels. The diving channel design is otherwise called a falling channel or channel down. The upper line is distinguished first, as running alongside the highs, and is known as the trend line. At the point when the cost is around the upper pattern line, search for short open doors. Albeit forceful brokers could exchange long and short at both pattern lines, searching for a bob or pullback. One more method for exchanging this example is to trust that the cost will get through either trend line. Dropping channels, such as rising channels, are a device for deciding if the pattern and cost will proceed. As of now, Universe is in the scope of $12.79. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of IOTA could arrive at the obstruction levels of $17.28, $31.87, and $45.72. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of particle might tumble to $5.76. The diagrams show that Universe has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, IOTA could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $34.77. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Universe could dive to nearly $8.53, a negative sign. Universe Value Forecast 2022. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Universe is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of particle lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Universe is displayed in the diagram above. Remarkably, Universe cost lies beneath the 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, particle has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of IOTA whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the IOTA is 47.83. This implies that Universe is in a nearly oversold. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of particle might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Universe Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Universe. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Universe. At present, the ADX of particle lies in the scope of 22.315, and hence, it demonstrates a feeble pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of Universe. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of particle lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Universe is at 47.83, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of particle with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Universe. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH and particle are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of IOTA likewise increments or diminishes individually. Universe Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Universe could presumably achieve $50 by 2023. Universe Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Universe could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Molecule could energize to hit $55 by 2024. Universe Value Forecast 2025. If Universe supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Molecule would mobilize to hit $60. Universe Value Expectation 2026. If Universe supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Particle would energize to hit $65. Universe Value Forecast 2027. On the off chance that Universe supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, IOTA would revitalize to hit $70. Universe Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Universe holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, IOTA would hit $75 in 2028. Universe Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Universe, it would observe significant spikes. Molecule could hit $80 by 2029. Universe Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Universe biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Particle for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Universe could hit $85 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the Universe organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Particle. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Universe in 2022 is $34.77. Then again, the negative value expectation of Universe cost forecast for 2022 is $8.53. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Universe environment, the exhibition of Particle would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.45 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $40 assuming the financial backers accept that IOTA is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Universe? Universe is a cryptographic money intended to influence the blockchain climate. 2. Where could you at any point buy a Particle? Universe has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, MEXC, Deepcoin, and Bybit. 3. Will Particle come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Molecule stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What